This case explores a situation where technical capability is not the main threat to project success. Dynamics are. The Ajax Project highlights how pressure, repeated setbacks, and unresolved tensions within a team can gradually undermine performance, even when leadership, experience, and technical expertise are strong. Rather than focusing only on schedule or technology, this case shows why managing people effectively is critical in complex projects. The Ajax project is a high-tech security system developed by CBEX for the U.S. Department of Defense. It is managed by Tran, an experienced project manager, leading a team of around 30 hardware and software engineers. The project involves integrating multiple subsystems, including audio, optical, and laser technologies, which introduce significant technical uncertainty. While the design principles work in theory, they have not been tested in real-world conditions. Trent recognized the technical risks early on. However, the case gradually revealed that the bigger challenge is not technology, but how the team responds to pressure failure and ongoing schedule slippage. The Ajax team is divided across several dimensions. Hardware engineers largely come from military backgrounds and tends to have conservative value and working style. On the other hand, software engineers are generally younger, more informal, and in higher market demand. These differences are intensified by salary disparity, where newer software engineer and salary comparable to hardware engineer with decades of experience. According to Larson, perceived inequity can quickly damage trust and cooperation within project teams. Initially, Trent addresses this issue through a team building retreat, which successfully built team spirit and shared purpose. However, as repeated test failures occur, financial incentives disappear and morale began to decline. What starts as technical frustrations gradually becomes emotional disengagement, signaling deeper team problems. Larson's project team's theories help explain this shift in team behavior. Early in the project, the Ajax team displays many characteristics of a high-performing team, such as strong identifications with the project, collaborations across disciplines, and a shared sense of purpose. However, as the FL2 and FL3 tests fail, the team begins to regress in its development. Using Larson's five-stage team development model, the teams move back into the storming stage. This stage is marked by emotional stress, frustrations, and withdrawal, all of which are visible in the case, particularly when team members leave the site individually after their FL3 failures. At this point, the project experiences negative synergy, where collective performance deteriorates despite individual effort. Team dynamics, rather than technical challenges, becomes the primary risk. Trent responds by increasing his involvement through daily status meeting and hands-on support. While this provides short-term structure, it does not fully address the underlying emotional and motivational issue within the team. According to Larson, teams under prolonged stress require rejuvenations, not just tighter control. Trend needs to openly acknowledge setbacks rather than pushing the teams to simply work harder. This helps normalize failure as part of innovation, especially in complex projects. In addition, Trend should reset expectations by breaking remaining work into smaller, achievable milestones. Restoring a sense of progress is critical for rebuilding confidence. Finally, reinforcing team identify and shared purpose can help reconnect individuals to the project, shifting the team back towards the performing stage. The Ajax project reinforces key lessons in project management, technical problem test projects, and manage team dynamics determine whether projects success or fail. Trend demonstrates strong leadership quality, but the case shows that even experienced project managers must continually manage morale, trust, and motivations, especially under sustained pressure. Ultimately, the success of the Ajax projects depends less on engineering capabilities and more on Trent's ability to rebuild resilience, cohesion, and confidence within the team.